Hello again, class. Today we're going to learn about note heads and note names. So notes in music have a oval that tells you what note to play depending on where it is on the staff. The oval can be just an empty oval like this, or a filled in oval depending on the rhythm, which we'll talk about later. It can also be what we say on the line, or the line of the staff goes through the oval, or it can be between the lines on the staff, like this one. Alright? So that tells you, what that tells you when you put those note heads on the staff, that'll tell you the name of the note. Now the musical alphabet is A to G. And when we put these note heads on the 5 lines of the staff, that tells us what notes to play. Now, in treble clef and bass clef, we have different tricks for remembering our notes. And it's really important that you learn these and that you memorize them. They should just be second nature. So when you are playing a treble clef instrument, here are the tricks. When the notes are on the line, like this one, or the line of the staff goes through the notes, from the bottom up, those notes are E, G, B, D, and F, going from the first line on the bottom up to the top. Now the classic mnemonic device for that is every good boy deserves fudge. There you go. A modern one I like is even George Bush drives fast. Now, the ones in the space, the ones that are between the lines, like this one here, in the treble clef from the bottom up, are really easy to remember because they spell the word face. So from the bottom up, F-A-C-E. Easy, right? Cool. So, in the bass clef, we've got some different mnemonic devices. From the bottom up, the ones that are on the line, or the line goes through the note, are G, B, D, F, A. Now, the mnemonic device for that one that I like is great big dogs fight animals. Alright, so that's the one for bass clef with the notes on the line. The notes in the bass clef between the lines are A, C, E, G. And the mnemonic device I like for that one are all cows eat grass. Now that's a lot of information for this lesson, so I will put the mnemonic devices up on little titles underneath them when I'm saying them, but it really is something that you just have to learn, and you have to memorize. And after a while, it'll just be like talking. It becomes second nature, or reading a book. You just know those when you see them. Okay? All right.